In front of me is iPad Pro 11 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on this plus available at the bottom left corner of Messages section, over here. Now, if you want to add a song, scroll all the way down, hit Music, tap on Listen to Music to share, and tap on the song you want to share in your message. If you want to record an audio file and add it, use the same plus, and this time select audio. Quick tip: when you tap on an audio, it will automatically start recording, so make sure you are ready. When you finished, tap on this red button to finish your recording. Now you can listen to it right away. You can discard it thanks to this X, or if you want to continue, click on this plus on the right and record some more. Then you can send it right away. Now, to create and add video, hit Camera section here and switch from photo to video on the right. Now operate all of those options however you want to and start recording. When you finished, you can tap on retake at the top left corner if you want to create your video again. You can edit it thanks to this button here. To save your changes, hit Done, and to cancel them, hit Cancel at the top left corner. And tap on Discard Changes in the pop-up. Now to send your video right away, use this button with an arrow. To only add it to your message, hit Done. If you want to add a video that's already on your tablet, click on the same plus and hit Photos. Now look for it in Photos or Collections section and then tap on the chosen one to add it. Tap on the check mark if you wanna exit this pop-up. Or if you can't find it, tap on Photos and use one of those searching tools at the bottom. You can click on those three dots to access, for example, filter, or you can click on this icon of a magnifying glass to type in a keyword. Either way, when you find your video, just tap on it. Now click on the check mark and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!